Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with all of you how I'm doing my every makeup. It's just a quick, simple and easy way, and I promise you I'm going to share the tips and tricks how to do a makeup in just about 3 to 4 minutes. And before that, don't forget subscribe, like and comment. And I think it's time to do it. Let's do it together.
First, I will apply some foundation, compact powder, and shading. After that, we need to blend it. It's such a quick and easy way to apply makeup, right? Alright, it's done. And now it's time for blusher. Then, before I apply the eyeshadow, I will apply some highlight to all over my eyelid. Alright, next I will do my eyebrow. Back to the eyeshadow, I will apply a deep orange color to all over my eyelid. I'll choose a bright orange color on top of my crease. Highlight time! Okay, I also pop up some highlight on my cheek. And next, eyeliner time. Don't forget to curl your lashes, guys. Then I will apply some mascara. And this is my favorite mascara, guys. Nora for Love mascara. It's time to apply a lipstick. So for the lipstick, I'll choose a pink, soft pink color. Wow, this is the final look. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.